equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the screen. First, power off your HP15's fq4014ns and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair. Next, remove the battery by sliding the battery release latch and lifting it out. This step is essential for your safety. Now, using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel removed, locate the screen connector. It's usually situated near the hinges. Carefully disconnect the screen cable by gently pulling it out of its socket. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Next, you will need to remove the screws securing the screen to the hinges. There are typically 4 screws, 2 on each side. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, and keep them handy for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from the hinges. Be cautious, as the screen may still be connected to the laptop via a cable. Carefully disconnect this cable by pulling it out of its socket, ensuring you do not damage any components. Now, it's time to prepare your new screen. Take your replacement screen and connect the cable to the laptop. Make sure it's securely attached before proceeding. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. After connecting the new screen, align it with the hinges and secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them gently to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screen is secured, reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back onto the laptop and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to ensure the panel is secure. Finally, reinsert the battery and power on your laptop. Check to see if the new screen is functioning correctly.